All right, everybody, we're back again. This is Kevin Robinson, your favorite accountant, tax professional, and financial success specialist. I'm so excited about our 30 for 30 financial challenge. We're going to help 30 families over the next 30 days begin their journeys towards financial freedom. So here's what we're doing. We're on the solutions segment. We talked about problems, we've talked about challenges, we've talked about obstacles. We've also begun talking about solutions, and we're going to stay on solutions. We've talked about positive cash flow versus negative cash flow and what the difference is between the two. We've also discussed the difference between cash flow and income and why cash flow is king. We also talked about 1099 income and how this country is run on tax codes. How you need a 1099 of some type in your portfolio somewhere so you can pay whom first? Yourself. You did the work, you deserve to pay. It's as simple as that. Now, in this ninth video, I want to talk to you all about investment income. You see, what people don't realize is that this country was set up where money that makes money pays less taxes than labor that makes money. In other words, you want a large part of your portfolio to come from capital gains. Anytime money makes money, that's called appreciation. That means the taxes that are paid because the money made the money are considerably lower than when labor is taxed because the labor makes the money, which is considered at a higher rate. Now that's a tongue twister. I understand that. So this is what I mean. In other words, 67% of the wealthy people in this country, their wealth comes from other money. I want you all to write something down. Wealth and work are not synonymous. I know plenty of people that work that are not wealthy. And I know plenty of people who are wealthy that do not work. We've been taught incorrectly over all these years that the only way to amass wealth or to amass money is by working for it. You've been taught since high school, going into college, and if you didn't go to college, to the point that you got your job, work. Well, here's the problem. Where's the wealth? The wealth is in investments. Investments aren't necessarily risk. Investments aren't even something you should be afraid of. Here's why. You're investing right now. Anytime you put your money into a checking account, it's being invested. Anytime you put your money into a savings account, it's being invested. The problem is you're not getting a high rate of return on that investment. But guess who is? That's right, the banks. In other words, you're an investor right now. You're just investing the wrong way. You're investing on what's called the retail side. You're not investing on what's called the wholesale side. So what do? We don't tell you what to invest in, but we teach you the terminology and the perspective. Write that down. In our 30 for 30 financial challenge, we teach you terminology and perspective. Now, when you go get with the person who's licensed, you can get you some investments. You'll know the proper perspective of an investor. You'll know the proper terms to use. You'll know what to invest in, and you'll also know what a good investment looks like. All right, do me a quick favor. Text me my favorite word, capital, which is short for capital gains, to 202-600-9922. If you're interested in starting your journey and getting some capital gains for yourself and lowering those taxes as opposed to labor and raising those taxes. Text the keyword again, capital, to 202-600-9922. And I promise to reply to you personally. Until then, I look forward to speaking with you soon.